Fisker is a company who's been around for quite a few years now, but is also someone you might not have heard of. They made a hybrid luxury sedan in 2011 that demanded $100,000 to get your hands on, then seemingly disappeared while occasionally showing off some concept models. Now Fisker is back, and they're showing off what they hope will be the car that can finally give Tesla a run for its money. This is the Fisker E-Motion. The E-Motion looks like a sports car, plain and simple. It takes cues from companies like Lamborghini to make it fit snugly into the supercar category, but it remains fully electric and one day fully autonomous. This seems to be a new trend in the automotive industry. While cheaper mainstream electric vehicles are starting to populate the consumer market, we're happy to see the high-end market take notice as well. Fisker's using LiDAR technology all around the car to detect other motors on the road and should be able to adjust to changes at a pretty rapid pace. The car will theoretically be able to use this technology from the get-go, but local governments are still going to have to begin to allow driverless cars for this feature to actually be useful. The company isn't planning on making a high amount of volume like the Tesla Model 3, but the car can still be considered affordable for what it is at $129,000. It's a nice way to get the wealthier part of the world on board, since the car is extremely striking and could probably even make multimillionaires feel the need to buy it. Fisker is also trying to solve some common problems related to electric vehicles currently on the market. The company is working on a solid-state battery that it hopes will be able to fully charge the vehicle in just 1 minute, and it'll apparently give it 500 miles of range. This is also still a big maybe though, and the company is aiming for 400 miles of range at launch, which is still considerably higher than many of the electric cars on the market today. All said and done, this is undoubtedly a concept car. While we're still hopeful the vehicle actually makes it to market, Fisker's last car company went bankrupt in a pretty spectacular fashion, so we'll have to wait and see what happens in 2019 or 2020. What do you think about the E-Motion? Is this something that you would be interested in if you had the funds? Make sure you stay tuned to Dgit to see more content just like this.